In one afternoon visiting the Everglades, we saw 3 alligators, 3 crocodiles, and other animals in the wild, all from land without so much as a boat ride. But we might not have if we hadn't asked for guidance from rangers and volunteers in 2 different visitor centers. On our visit to South Florida, we drove with friends from Miami to the Everglades Main Park Road and stopped first at the Ernest F. Coe Visitor Center.
Everglades National Park, our first stop.
January, February, and March, in the height of the dry season, offers the best opportunities to observe a wide variety of species.
Our first animal spotted at the Everglades. It's a quick little thing. It was here we learned from a worker that the best place to see alligators in February was the Anhinga Trail. Ooh, the largest python recovered in the Everglades. It's an invasive species. Oh my goodness, he's looking, but can he get over this wall? He probably can. You're watching me, aren't you, buddy? Ah. And they can go 30 miles an hour for 20 feet, right? Is that the idea?
Pretty short space, but yeah, they can move.
They could move fast. If he wanted to, he could jump up here and scare me to death. Whew.
You're not with it.
Well, I like that.
I'm too comfortable here.
And do you see this big fish over here too?
Yeah.
Do alligators eat fish?
Here we are.
The trail, with its paved as well as elevated walkways, follows the edge of a slough where wildlife appears, especially in the winter, the dry season in the Everglades, because the channels of fresh water attract alligators, birds, and fish. Oh, he got himself some food.
Yeah, and then now he's back down again for a while.
Did you see an alligator? Where? Oh. Smaller guy. This one, what, maybe 6 feet or? Well, with the tail, it's hard to tell. Behind me in a small puddle, I spotted another alligator. That's our third alligator in just a few minutes. So these are a couple of turtles, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Resting in the shade.
Pretty healthy looking ones. Oh yeah.
Well, the cormorant's drying its wings.
Yeah,
The
that's what I
Anhinga
mean.
right here did have its wings out like that, but there is an Anhinga nest too.
The alligator we first saw wasn't where he had been when we came back, so I figured this was the same one. Otherwise, we saw 4 alligators. I never thought of trees in the Everglades.
Yeah, I thought of swamp. I truly did think of swamp.
It had also been recommended that we continue to the visitor center near the end of the road on the Florida Bay for other attractions. The visitor center was named for Guy Bradley, an Audubon game warden who was murdered by poachers in 1905 while trying to protect bird nesting sites. We learned from a ranger at the visitor center where to look for manatee and crocodiles in the area near the marina. The fresh water that flows through the Everglades eventually merges with the salt water in the Florida Bay, allowing many species to thrive. We didn't see manatee, but we did find the crocodiles. Crocodile we've been looking for. American crocodile. I didn't think they had any crocodile in America. We were hot and thirsty at the end of the day, but thankfully there was a restaurant near lodging at the park. So we stopped for refreshment before driving back under pink skies. It had been a rewarding day. Thanks for watching.